Hey, what are you doing?
Cleaning the downstairs refrigerator.
Aren't you supposed to be fixing the refrigerator?
I'm about to.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Why are you in a bikini? Why are you
'Cause we're
always
going
in
to
a
the
bikini?
beach.
It makes people angry.
We're going to the beach.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are.
You're not fooling anybody.
Always going to the beach.
Okay.
A little bit.
It needs to be repaired. So.
Yeah, you're right. It's not really cold in there.
All right. So now. What we need to do. Oh, look! I have a wide-angle lens on here now.
Ooh.
Is
That's
put.
not good.
Better to get your ample attributes, my dear.
Quite ample these days.
Yeah. Yep, you know exactly what to do, don't you? All right, so everyone, this is a repair video. We have a freezer that works, but a refrigerator, the downstairs, doesn't work.
We're gonna need a bigger cooler.
Oh yeah, definitely. That's the last pig we slaughtered, isn't it?
Yep. Some of them hurt.
Hey, how do you know how to do this? Needs defrosting, huh?
This takes me a few minutes.
All right, so three coolers is better than one little tiny cooler. So what's the deal? Tell us what's wrong.
So there's a fan in here that is supposed to blow cool air down into here, and
I can't see it.
we cleared it the other day and it was running, but now the fan's not working. So
Gotcha.
we need to put it in.
And you sure you know where's the fan?
It's in here.
No, where's the new fan?
Oh, right here? That doesn't look like a fan.
Doesn't, does it? You're gonna work it out, aren't you?
Yeah. I am working it out.
Well,
We're gonna have to put some of this in the deep freezer.
yeah.
Because either that or we need coolers.
It's well, I can't do it because I have a bad back, but it's down there. Down.
Oh yeah.
Don't fall in. Okay. Oh, that's I can hear it went off. So you definitely unplugged it.
Okay. This is my packing room, people.
You know, yeah, it looks like a damn mess.
It is.
Because it is. What's that up there, farm girl?
This is
No. Way back.
Oh, this?
No, way back there.
Oh.
On the wall.
Painting.
Who's that?
It's me.
Is that after 2 kids?
No.
I think that's after Destin. After you had 1 kid. And I painted that with the background. I was there were sexual undertones, weren't there? Can you see what's in the background?
A little bit.
That's if you look right here, there's a torso of a man. And
Which
then
man?
Facing that way, and there's a woman, there's a torso of a woman. You see her arm here. That's the bicep or the tricep, and her side, and then her leg, the side of her leg, her thigh,
Wow.
and then the side of her calf. So she's facing him. She's facing him that way, and he's facing her, and she's straddling him. So it was. You get it?
Got it.
You remember that time
You
remember that time I painted that mural in that French restaurant?
Yes. Oh,
And
yeah.
it was up there. It was the whole wall of a restaurant, and there were magazine covers of people dining at the tables in front of the mural of this French village. And my friend finally went in there after a year and said, "You put a naked woman in that window." He was the only one to notice it.
Evil.
It was subtle.
How'd you know you wouldn't get caught?
Okay, so now you've got
I need
to.
a screwdriver.
Yeah. No. What?
That's right. Just undo.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Uh-oh.
Oh, you're going to need an actual screw. You're going to have to pull that bit out a little bit. And this is a messy stock room.
What?
This is a messy stock room for sure.
I know. I need to organize. I need to get in here and do some work. Wow.
Wow, you're working fast. Come on, get on.
I didn't know I was trying to race a clock or anything.
There it is. There it is.
Woo woo.
Man, you were born repairing refrigerators, weren't you? Okay,
Yep.
so that's the culprit, huh?
Yeah.
It just wasn't spinning?
Nope.
All right.
So, you see, this is our new fan, and we don't have a blade for it, so we have to be really careful and try and get this one out of here without breaking it. It might be difficult to get it out, so you gotta just
So it just slides off of this.
Ooh,
Okay.
yeah.
Here we go.
Just pull that out. See?
Okay.
Looks just like the new one.
All right. Yeah. So you got the right motor. Boy, it is frosty in here. No wonder it's not spinning. Well, I mean, no wonder it's not cooling down below. This is full of frost. So.
So we thought we might be able to just pull this fan motor out, but it's strapped in there with this bracket. So we're gonna take this back panel off.
Yeah.
And see.
A lot of times you can just reach in there and unstrap that fan. It's just kind of a pressure strap, you know.
Yeah.
But this one's a little more complicated. And I don't think maybe you can just pull these screws here and release that fan. We want to get back in there and defrost it, don't we? Because there's a lot of ice back there.
Yeah, there is a lot of ice. That's probably why it's messed up.
Well, it's messed up because that fan is not spinning and it's not blowing the cold air down through there into the refrigerator. And a lot of people don't realize your freezer is what cools your refrigerator. It's not a separate cooling
Yeah, I
system.
didn't really realize that before this.
It's the same cooling system, isn't it? Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
It is like frozen over there. Guy comes out.
That's kind of your vent assembly there, I guess. All right, so clearly we didn't have to take that out, but it's nice to get it opened up, yeah, and melt it, defrost it.
So obviously I have the wrong size here. That's not good.
Wait, let me see. Let me see what you're doing. Let everybody see. Yep. You're just such a pro and you're moving so fast. All right, so we got to dig down to your plug, right? Or does that plug into, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got to thaw that out and then find the connector.
We'll see.
Hey, if this fridge is rocking.
There we go.
All right, so let's see. Where do we squeeze it? Squeeze it here? Look. To release? Yep. Frozen? Mm-hmm. Okay, we'll let that thaw out too. Gee, I wonder if that's why the fan wasn't working. Frozen.
Maybe this fan is fine.
Maybe it was frozen and shorting, or I don't know.
I'm trying to get this warmer so that I can release it.
Ah.
So it's not so frozen.
Is that kosher? I don't know if hair drying your refrigerator is kosher.
Yeah, I think it is.
Pull the connector. Don't break a nail, farm girl.
I know that's going to make me really mad if I do.
The culprit.
Take a look at that. It's kind of worn.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can just tell it's like
so
falling apart.
The bearings are probably screwed up. Yeah.
Yeah.
That can't be good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's the bearings. The front bearings, anyway.
Oh yeah, and look
that
at
doesn't.
that.
Yeah. Okay.
Hey,
pretty
maybe
sure
we could have just replaced this.
Pretty sure it's shot. Yeah, the motors are like $16 to $30 in that range.
Might as well
So
have a
we're
new
good.
one for our 10-year-old fridge. Or
it's older
more.
than that. This was my mother's.
20 years old.
My mother died
30 years old.
13 years ago or something.
Wow.
And she had it for a few years, so it's pretty old.
Let's put this new baby in there.
Yeah. Are we pretty sure this is how it's done?
Better be sure.
Now, whoever crushed those fins did it when they were building this refrigerator.
Yeah.
Because
there are a lot of them.
that was behind the panel, yeah. Wasn't you, was it?
Wasn't me.
Don't you love those 80s rock videos?
I don't think it was quite like this. So while this is finishing defrosting, I'm going to put the new fan in.
All right.
Yay! And you just kind of plug it in there.
Plug and play, eh?
Yep. Make sure it's in there. So we have to put the bracket back on there. And that goes in that little hole. Just like that.
Doctor?
Thank
wait.
you.
Let me... Well, naturally, I'd be better at this.
Naturally.
This part, anyway. Come on, give us some better strokes. There we go.
Where's the other one?
The big one, yeah.
Here it is.
Oh, it's a wonder we get anything done around here with a farm girl like you. It's been 20 minutes on this already. I'm just kidding. She does a dandy job.
Can you see in here?
I can see a little bit. What's going on? Yeah. All right. So it doesn't look to me like your motor's very straight, but that's okay.
Well, it's in the hole. The man pointed out is I forgot to ground it. So here's the ground wire.
Ah.
Yeah. Ah. And that goes right in there.
Aha.
Aha. Then nobody gets in trouble. There we go.
Really?
I think so.
Great.
Shall we plug it in and see if the fan works?
Yeah.
Before we close it all up?
Good idea. What do you say, Minnie? Ooh. Let there be light.
Oh,
All right.
Yay.
Nice strong spinning.
Yep.
Okay, good. All right, cool. Good job. Slap me 5, farm girl.
Hold up.
No high five for me.
Yeah, I'm gonna high five you. Soon as I get this out.
Bravo. Who says girls can't repair appliances?
Yeah.
So, you working hard or hardly working?
Always working hard.
Well, this is not supposed to be a cleaning video.
Well, it's a good opportunity to clean it up.
Now we put it back in, eh?
I'm so excited.
You have to get it past that knob, remember? Whatever. I hate you appliance repair people with your sexual innuendo. God. Wait, was that sexual innuendo?
Well, I wasn't.
Oh.
I wasn't saying it was.
Cool. Now screw it, farm girl.
I just want to make sure that it's
not impeding the fan. Good.
I mean, it's closer on this side than it is on that side.
Well, I think once you hit that bracket properly with those 2 screws, you're going to be good.
So...
Yeah, you need to put your new tip on. Oh, yeah. You know how to do this stuff. Shift that. Yeah. Wow. All right, so I can die now.
Whatever.
You no longer need me.
Not. Where'd the other screw go?
See, you need me, don't you?
Yeah.
Yep.
I think so.
Lost a screw.
What?
All is not right with the world.
Ah.
Oh.
Lost and found.
Good God, this is going to be a 20-minute video, and people are going to hate you for being in your bikini.
Why? I mean...
These guys get so pissed off. It's why did we know she looks good? Why does she have to be in a bikini in every video?
Use of time so that we don't have to worry about getting dressed to go to the beach.
Oh, you're not fooling me.
How does it feel?
You're just not good at that. Your insertion skills are lacking, woman.
No.
Oh, I swear you had a plumber's crack somewhere in one past life. You're too cute.
Oh, my bow.
Bode? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Scooby snack?
So,
oh yeah, look at that.
yay! And the fridge is kind of clean.
Good job.
It's all the way back there, but it just feels weird.
Got it?
Does that look right? Kind of sits up on this thing so there's air flowing underneath.
Close enough.
Whoa, Rick.
It's a done deed.
Done.
That's my girl.
Woo! Thanks for watching, everyone.
Thanks for fixing. Okay, 3 hours later, let's see. Oh yeah, nice and cold. On a fishing line. I don't know.